Confused by the stock market? Use this great advice. It's not uncommon to be afraid of losing all your money with stock market investments. Remember, however, that if you purchase stocks intelligently, this does not have to happen. Use the investment information you learn in the following video to gain some insight on profitable trading practices. Make sure that you have realistic goals when you start investing. Everyone knows that wealth through the stock market does not happen overnight. Success comes from a long-term strategy of responsible financial investment and management. Remain aware of this fact so that you can make the right decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Keep in mind that the value of a stock involves much more than simply its price. When deciding whether or not to invest in a particular stock, there are several other factors to consider that are more important. The price of a stock should be only one small part of the decision. Ensure that your children have a good sense of understanding regarding finances and investments from a young age. The earlier that they are taught about financial responsibility and what can be achieved with hard work, the better off they will be in the long run, as they age. You can even involve them a little, as you buy and sell your investments, by explaining why you are making these choices. When the stock market takes a dip, do not distress. Instead, look at the fall as an opportunity to purchase stocks at bargain prices. Many smart investors have made fortunes this way, because the market will inevitably rise again. Being able to see past the doom and gloom can be very profitable. As you can see, the stock market isn't a dangerous investment if you know what you're doing. The tips you read in this video should help you figure out the difference between a wise investment and a risky one. Invest your money wisely, using these tips, and watch it grow. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.